Welcome to this review and unboxing of the EDUP 11AC 1900M dual band USB 3.0 wireless adapter. Okay, let's take a look at the box. So it says that it has USB 3.0 among other features. This particular model has 4 antennas. Here's the specifications. Okay, so let's open the box. Okay, so let's see what it comes with. Here's the cable. This is a different type of connection. This looks like a proprietary cable. It's not similar to the other ones that I've seen. And right here you have 4 antennas. Here's the driver, and here's the instruction manual. So let's take a look at the manual. And here's the adapter. It's quite lightweight. And then you have the 4 connections for the antennas. So I'm going to install the antennas now. So I'm going to install the software, connect this to the computer, and let's see how it performs. Okay, so the adapter is connected, and I'm going to show you the signals and the signal strength that I'm picking up here. So let's just go to the Wi-Fi right here. Okay, now it does pick up a lot of connections. So I'm going to scroll down to show you. There's a lot of connections that it is picking up. Now, as you can see, compared to the onboard computer, it's much better. As you can see, the signals are really weak coming in, and there's not as many. But here, look at all these signals and look at the strength of the top signals that it's picking up. I mean, some of them actually have a full 5 bars of strength. And you know, this can be tricky because even though it shows 5 bars, the question is, how is the strength itself? Like the signal quality. See, that's the key. Even though it shows 5 bars, it might not actually be a great signal if it's not getting a good signal. So I actually went on some websites and it seems pretty strong. Now this is for external Wi-Fi. See, the adapter right here is outside. I put it outside the window, and it should get the maximum amount of signals. I mean, all 4 antennas are spread out. I mean, I can expose it further, but the problem is this is not waterproof, so it has to be indoors. So if you're going to expose the antennas outside, What about water? So this is going to have to be indoors, so I'm assuming the signal may even be less, depending how isolated it is. But I can tell you in this particular area, I would say maybe 100 feet. It's definitely a step up if you're looking to connect a Wi-Fi adapter and get better range. It's definitely better range than the onboard adapter. And right over here there's a light that goes on when it's plugged in and detected. Okay, so in regard to range, this adapter is comparable to the dual adapter that I've used. However, in regard to the signal, this adapter is substantially stronger. I'm getting a very strong signal, a very fast connection compared to the dual adapter and other adapters that I've used. So there is a substantial improvement in the actual signal and the speed of the connection itself with this adapter. This is one test that I'm using it on. Wi-Fi signals can range. They can be good one day, not as good the other day. The range itself can be an issue. It may not pick it up, it may pick it up another day, it depends. So it's not consistent. You would actually have to use the adapter over an extended period of time to really get a complete analysis of the performance of the adapter itself. However, as far as the signal that I'm getting right now, this is the strongest signal that I've gotten with all other Wi-Fi adapters that I've tested. So there you have it. This was a review and unboxing of the EDUP wireless adapter. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.